Our first job is to keep your children safe.
And that's why Salem-Keizer School District is implementing weapons detectors in middle schools. District Safety Director Chris Baldridge says it stems from what he calls disturbing data out of Marion County.
We've seen a decline in age in charges where it's possession of a weapon, which is really kind of a driving factor for us. So we don't want weapons in our schools.
The detection system checks everyone who enters the schools as they walk through screening lanes. Staff then check a backpack, for example, if a quiet alert goes off.
I want to make that impact at the doorway be as quick as possible and something that you don't think about for the rest of the day.
There's also a door monitoring system that controls entries and exits and alerts safety staff when a door is opened or closed, as well as window film that prevents people from seeing into the building. But one middle school parent we spoke to feels this is overkill.
As we get more and more comfortable with treating civilians like they're criminals, with utilizing equipment like that in standard schools, is numbing our children.
Navarro says he'd like to have seen a different approach.
I feel like those resources could have been better utilized, expanding access to mental health services to the youth, supportive services to the youth, to be able to help them kind of cope with the underlying conditions of why they're utilizing these things to begin with.
The weapon screening systems will cost about $1.2 million, funded by a previous bond and settlement agreement. Deputy Superintendent Danielle Neves says she also has a Salem-Keizer middle schooler and is on board with the detectors.
It gives me another layer, just like the other layers of safety that happen in the schools, another layer of knowing that the school district is taking care of my students, of the teachers in their building, so that they can focus on learning.
And school officials say they anticipate the installation of these weapons detectors to begin at the end of October, with all middle schools complete in April. In Keizer, Jake Holter, KGW News.